So this lesson is a continuation of our solids of revolution. So last lesson looked at when we rotate a graph around an x-axis to create a solid, and today we're going to be thinking about it rotating about the y-axis like this. So if we've got this graph of a function in x and we rotate it 360 degrees around the y-axis, then the volume of the solid is given by the integral between p and q, so these two limits here, of pi times x squared. So that makes sense, doesn't it? It's just the circles that we could split this into are going this way instead of vertically like they were last time. So important things to remember. Here, the limits are y coordinates, not x coordinates. And also we're integrating with respect to y. So we want an expression for x squared, and we're going to integrate it with respect to y. So let's have a go at an example. So the example we're going to think about is a solid is formed by rotating the graph of y equals 3x squared between x equals 1 and x equals 3 through 360 degrees about the y-axis, and we're going to try and find the volume of the solid. So that's the function, and that's the function in x. So we want x squared. So if we rearrange that, x squared is 1/3 y. Okay. So the other thing we need to do is we just need to change the limits. So we've got limits in x here, and we wanted the limits to be y coordinates, not x coordinates. So when x is 1, y is 3, and when x is 3, y is 27. Okay. So to find the volume, we would integrate. It would be pi. I'm going to take the pi out the front, and it would be the integral between 3 and 27 of 1/3 y with respect to y. So if we integrate that, we get y squared over 6 between 27 and 3. So if I put that in my calculator, and 243 over 2 pi, take away 3 over 2 pi. And that comes out as 120 pi, I think. So it's pretty similar to when we rotate it around the x-axis. You just need to do a bit of rearranging first. Great. Okay, so if you look on the Google Classroom, there is a worksheet that I'd like you to have a go at. Okay. Get in touch if you need any help.